How to blur background in Instagram story. So first is to launch the Instagram application. Then you can tap the plus icon found above your story, or you can swipe right to open the story camera. Now swipe right through these filters until you find Browse Effects. Tap Browse Effects, which should open this menu. Now tap the magnifying glass icon. Now using the search bar, search for blurred background. Then select this filter and then swipe down. So when you try to use this filter by taking a picture or a video, you will see that the background has been blurred. Now tap the arrow button found on the lower right corner, tap Share, and then tap Done. So that is how you blur background in Instagram story. Thank you and have a great day.